Look here, right, Mom? Right, look at me.
The normal one, she says. Yeah. And I know the ice cream and thin ice cream.
I was gonna.
That's quite dangerous, like.
Of course you're trying, yeah, and the second. See, because Ivy logically feels better than her brother. That works. Yeah. And then my mum. I mean, Isla's was wearing since the age of 2.5, so you know she's had that down pat.